60 deaths and roughly 4,500 injuries happen every single year in the United States from scaffold-related accidents, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And here's the detail that should bother you: nearly all of these are tied to something completely avoidable, a tag nobody checked, or a load rating nobody looked up. Today, the inspection tags, load ratings, and red flags every worker on a scaffold needs to actually understand, not just walk past. Welcome to Toolbox Talk TV. Industrial safety, one topic at a time, backed by real numbers. Today it's scaffold safety, across oil and gas, petrochemical, fertilizer, and power plant work, and it matters to anyone who steps onto a scaffold platform, from millwrights and pipefitters to fabricators working turnarounds. Let's start with the scale of this. In fiscal year 2024, OSHA's scaffolding standard remained one of the top 10 most frequently cited standards nationally, with 2,859 violations recorded the year before. One specific subsection, covering the failure to provide fall protection for workers above 10 feet, accounted for 528 citations in fiscal year 2024 alone. And separately, the Bureau of Labor Statistics recorded 62 fatal falls involving scaffolding in 2023. Falls from scaffolds account for roughly a quarter of all fatal falls from any working surface. So let's talk about the tag system, because this is the fastest, most reliable check available, and it's the one people walk past every day. A properly managed scaffold displays a color-coded inspection tag at the access point. Green typically means the scaffold has been inspected by a competent person and is safe for use. Yellow typically indicates the scaffold is only partially complete or has specific restrictions, meaning fall protection or other precautions are required beyond normal use. Red means the scaffold is unsafe, incomplete, or under modification, and must not be accessed under any circumstance. The exact color convention varies by site, so know your specific site system, but the core principle is universal. If you can't find a current tag, or the tag doesn't match what you see in front of you, that scaffold is not cleared for use. Now let's talk about load ratings, because this is where a scaffold that looks fine can still fail. Every scaffold has a rated capacity, and OSHA classifies these into duty ratings. Light duty typically rated around 25 pounds per square foot, medium duty around 50 pounds per square foot, and heavy duty around 75 pounds per square foot. That rating covers workers, tools, and materials combined, not just body weight. Stacking pipe, welding equipment, and a crew on a light-duty scaffold rated for 25 pounds per square foot is exactly how a structurally sound scaffold becomes an overloaded one without anything visibly changing about its construction. Let's go through the specific red flags to look for before you ever step on. Red flag 1, missing or expired inspection tag. No tag, no access, regardless of how solid the scaffold looks. Red flag 2, missing guardrails or toe boards on platforms above the height threshold requiring them. This is exactly the violation category responsible for that 528 citation figure we mentioned earlier. Red flag 3, unstable or unlevel base. Scaffold legs on uneven ground, missing base plates, or resting on unstable material dramatically increase collapse risk, even if the frame itself is perfectly rated. Red flag 4, damaged components. Bent frames, cracked planks, or missing cross-bracing compromise the entire structure's rated capacity, not just the damaged piece. Red flag 5, incomplete assembly. A scaffold still being erected or modified should carry a restrictive tag and should never be treated as ready simply because most of it looks finished. 3 mistakes worth naming directly. Mistake 1, assuming a scaffold is safe because someone else is already using it. Another worker's presence isn't a substitute for checking the tag yourself. Mistake 2, exceeding the duty rating without recalculating. Adding one more worker, one more stack of material, or one more piece of equipment can push a scaffold past its rated capacity without anyone noticing until it's too late. Mistake 3, using a scaffold during modification. If you see tools, extra components, or a crew actively working on the structure itself, that scaffold is not cleared, regardless of what the tag said yesterday. Quick recap. Check the tag every time, know your site's color system, respect the duty rating as a combined load of people, tools, and materials, and treat any of the 5 red flags, missing tags, missing guardrails, unstable bases, damaged components, or incomplete assembly, as an automatic stop. That's scaffold safety, a category responsible for around 60 deaths a year according to BLS data, almost always tied to something checkable in under a minute. Next video, we're covering electrical safety and arc flash, what every non-electrician on site needs to understand about energized equipment, even if you never touch a panel yourself. If you're finding these safety talk videos useful, please like this video and subscribe to Toolbox Talk TV so you don't miss the next one. And drop a comment, does your site use a 3-color tag system or something different? I want to know what standard where you work. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.